Every year are the same thing. She don't want to give me another picking them for file for me. I give her so much money. Hello? What go on, sweetie?
Listen here, muscle boy. I better come sweet to me, alright?
Alright, Nikki, what go on?
What go on with one? Nothing go on. Just tell me why you call, please.
I call her because, hear me now, I try for file for at least 2 of the kids.
Not even over my dry up dead body that naga go on.
Hear me no. Hear me now, man. All the years that you there, Nikki, are either your friend or your mother or one of your cousin or some mongrel you get the kids them to for file for. And my time now, man. Come on, man, and stop going, so. You make me use the same thing for you want me use every year?
Try it, come set for you this year. Try it, muscled.
You really not give me none of pick them for file for that you try tell me.
What? Since you left me in the clean out the ears, not even over my dead body and now get not
Nikki,
one.
you straight?
Why? You always try to come with the same thing to me. It's alright, I'm ready for you this year. I'm ready for you.
Oh, you set for me, eh? Oh, you set for me this year, Nikki. Tell me, oh, you set for me this year.
I'm a shocker.
Where do you set for me this year?
I'm a shocker.
Come here, something. This is what I do. Holy Ghost, you catch on the phone.
No, you're going to lose your voice in 3, 2, 1.
Nikki.
Yeah, man, I'm going to check the OB man last night. You can't, oh, you're trying to talk to me? You shot me on foul body last night. Hey, right now, a couple months should I reach you well. Don't come about next year with this foolishness.